Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install Zoom in Windows. So let's get started. So first thing, just Google Zoom. You'll be getting the official website, which is zoom.us, and below that you'll be having the download option. Click on download and you'll be taken to zoom.us/download, and in the download center you'll be having multiple Zoom options, but for desktop we need this Zoom desktop client, and just click on this download button and the download will be getting started, and it is about 86 MB in size, so just be patient till then. So once the download is complete, just open it. Once the installation is done, you'll be getting the installation was successful, and make sure that you are checking this, okay, because it automatically updates to the latest version. So make sure that you're checking it and just click on done. In case if you have a meeting link, you can directly click on join a meeting, or in case if you want to create an account, you can just go to sign up and create an account, or if you already have an account, just click on sign in and enter your credentials over here. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI. Check them out, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.